Alright folks, so this is ChicagoFigs over here, visiting the FigFather, and we're going to check out his quick little garden tour over here. So what do we got over here? First one on the right.
We got a white Madeira #1.
Holy crap.
We have a black Madeira UCD, I-258, LSU Tiger, Peter's Honey. That is a work in progress. That is my,
ooh, that looks like a disaster happened over here.
That is my Coldodon Ramada that reverted, so I had to graft back onto it. But we're good over here.
Yeah.
This one needs a little bit more work, but right here, if you see it, it's coming through. We'll be good.
I see the little thing coming out of it. Okay, very cool.
We have a Smith, a Campaneri, Ronde Bordeaux.
Ooh, who's that giant in the back?
In the back, that's Campaneri.
Okay, wow,
Yeah.
very nice.
We have Italian White, which comes from Genova, Italy. We have Bari. We have the Chicago Party over here.
Wow. I like how your leaves are actually so dark and green, luscious, healthy looking, you know?
I'm a big proponent of microclimate. You know, the sun comes up over there, sets over there, and against the house we got bricks, we got stones. They hold the heat. Microclimate.
Yeah.
Microclimate is everything.
Very good.
You know, especially in our zone. In our zone, if you don't have a greenhouse, you need a microclimate as best you can. I have more figs over there that need to be potted up, especially my Figo Roxo. But you know, it'll get going. Sorry about the mess. I've been doing a lot of garden work.
It's definitely better than mine. I got holy crap! You got like a pile over here. All right, what do you got over here?
Figo Prado. We'll go this way. Figo Prado. Dada. These leaves are just, look at the size of these leaves.
Wow, these are
massive. Big leaves. We have Dada, Angelito, Calderona. Believe it or not, check on the other side. We'll go. There's massive leaves in Calderona. Nuestra Senora the Carmen, Irene's Black Creek. We have a Brava over here that's starting to swell. Right there. So. We have,
some people say Breva's garbage, but like, nah, I refuse to accept that.
This is one of my favorite Chipola, you know, and this is Della Senora Hibernenca.
Okay.
And take a look at the shape of these figs. Remember them,
how
they look. Because I have a theory. It might be wrong, might be right, might be somewhere in the middle. We'll see. And then over here, let's see. I have. This is De La Roca.
Okay.
And this is Moro de Caneva. Forty-Silk Grease. Very good honey fig over here. This is Pingo de Mel.
Okay.
I got this from Ken, and if anyone knows the infamous Ken.
Yes.
He's got so many figs. If he says that something's worth it, it's worth it.
He's like, if anything, like, you know, I'll be happy to give up the title Fig Daddy to him.
There you go.
I'll donate it to him.
There's a few things you could see from space, which are the great wonders of the earth.
Actually, at one point, did you know, like, when I was first visiting him, it was like his whole collection was on Google Maps, like on the front side.
You could see it. You could see it from space, which is pretty impressive. I have prosciutto, Hativ de Argentile, Pastelieri, Black Manzanita. Some of the babies that I had to replant. I got Pontatrisa.
It's a work in progress.
Yeah, boysenberry.
Yeah, the Pontatrisa, I'm really looking forward to your personal review on that one.
B&R. Yeah, Violetta Solis.
And this is, which one is this one? The Solis, this big one leaf?
Yeah, with Violetta Solis. These are massive. Also massive leaves.
Massive leaves, or yeah, actually, in person, I was gonna almost said like small hands, but no.
Big figs too. No. Not massive, but not tiny either. I can't palm a medicine ball, but you know, I can't. Now back, remember when I said take a look at the Della Senora Hibernenca? This is Labricia. And if you could look, the figs are very, very similar in shape. So it makes me wonder, is Labricia possibly, I know it's like in the Adriatic family, but it could also possibly be, you know, related to the Hibernencas? Who knows?
Yeah.
Then I have over here, I have Coldodon Roja. And then I need to organize some of these trees over here a little bit better.
Get the nice little grapevine going on over here.
We got grapevines. We got another one over here. And then we have...
And I think I saw grapes here, right?
Oh yeah, there's lots of grapes.
Oh yeah, I can see the grapes in there. Very nice. Cool.
I also got blackberries over there.
Okay.
Trellising up. I got another grapevine over here. This is a white grape, which I'm going to trellis that way. This is one of my favorites as well. This is Craven's Craving. I have a lot. I scored this off of FigFather. I sort of guilt tripped him, and then I felt bad, so I air cleared off a branch over here before I gave it back to him, which is a win-win. He needed it to root prune it anyway, so it worked out. This is my Colonel Littman's Black Cross, which is a fantastic fig, and I had one ripen for me last year. And you see, you got a fig right here, but it's small, you know.
Yeah, we got still time. A lot of time still.
We have San Biagio, Zafiro, Fagon. I got this from Marco, the Fig Professor.
Yeah.
That's Licaseca VS. My San Biagio over here is from Basement Figs. Homer, love you. I have Violet de Bordeaux that suffered some damage last year, and I'm trying to bring it back. Got this from Hugo. I also got Bordeaux Grease from Hugo.
Wait, is it Hugo or Hugo? I thought it was Hugo.
Hugo, Bays Vaz.
All right.
You know.
Okay.
Well, he'll probably kill me if I butcher his name. So when I see him, I got the Chipotle over there was from Vlad.
Got it.
Both are sellers on FigBid. You know, got a lot of these are from MJ Figs.
Yeah.
This one is Figo Lucano, also known as the Blue Island fig. This is my family's fig that my grandfather.
Yeah, this we need to kind of spread the word about and actually get it out into more people's hands.
It'll have a pink little eye, and he had it. This was in ground in Blue Island since the 70s.
Yeah, Blue Island, Illinois.
And I mean, he would build a box. He wouldn't bury it or anything. He would build a box around it, knock everything down, and then that was that. But you know, it survived for X amount of years. So for our location, it's real good. Well, I'll see how the fruits are on it, because this is, I think it's going into its second year, this one. I was able to relocate it because he gave it to his neighbor, whose neighbor gave it to other people and stuff. And you know, ironically, it came to my great uncle had it, which was the street over, and he passed away, and I found out that he had the exact same, you know, tree. So I got cuttings and stuff off of his tree, and here it is. And then if you go back to have Azores Dark, we got Crows, Godfather, Secret.
It's like a little mini jungle here, folks. Like, it's hard to make out anything, especially
high density planting.
Yeah, high density, super high density planting at this point over here.
When we get storms, which we're going to get a storm, it looks like tonight.
Yeah, we got.
When the wind blows, they kind of, you know, they support each other. So
yeah, you don't have to worry about like them snapping in half or anything like that.
I mean, they're all tied up too. I like the bamboo stakes. These are 6-foot bamboos. I got these in 7-gallon grow bags. The air pots over there are 12.5, but I think it comes out to 10 or whatnot. But you know,
you got like super healthy soil. Also, you can see the little shrooms growing in here.
This is my custom mix. I believe I wrote about it on Our Figs.
Okay.
So there is a post about that on my mix and everything. You know, I fertilize with Jack's 321. I also do a top dressing every year. I do a fungal and bacteria drenching at the end of the year and at the beginning of the year. And then
so it's like a hybrid approach.
I trim everything down every year. I do a massive cutting sale, and I root a lot, you know, because when you have this many trees, storage is a problem, and I can't fit trees this big.
Exactly.
Where I store them,
so you hear that?
Cut down.
So you hear that, folks? Like FigFather, right? That's your handle. On
FigBid, I am Italian for you.
Oh, Italian for you.
And it's the number 4 in the letter U after Italian, because that's what it was. And then you know, everyone calls me the FigFather. So there it is.
So there you go, folks. You can see the trees he has. Good stuff. Good quality.
Antonio, and
even ChicagoFigs is actually walking away with a little gift from the FigFather over here.
Bari, which is a Mount Etna type, but you know, it's a good Mount Etna type, and for our area, with our short season, you need as many trees that will produce figs for you as you possibly can.
And you got a little pawpaw over here also.
Yeah, a lot of damage from cicadas from last year. This other one, didn't take that much damage.
It'll be fine. It'll recover.
We got the garden. We got a fruit orchard.
Yeah, we don't want to necessarily go in there now at this time of the night.
How you going to the fruit orchard?
You sure?
You want to take a look? Let's go take a look.
Let's take a wander.
We'll go back down.
I'm gonna put this here for someone to walking around with this.
No, we got it. I'll hold it.
Okay.
Got some supports to these peach trees. You get heavy. Got a garden over here. Tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, you know it. We got it.
Like a little fresh Italian market over here.
Yeah, sorry about the mess. I've been doing a lot, so it'll get going. It'll get going. And then we have a little side garden. Well, I have one garden. We get three, right? Zucchini, cucumbers, more green beans. Love green beans.
Very nice.
And then peach trees. Love peaches. Big fan of peaches.
Yeah, you gotta invite me when they're ready.
You gotta get them before the squirrels do, sadly. We have Honeycrisp baskets.
You build these. These are what you're talking about. Like you build these to actually hold the branches up.
Branches. Otherwise, they'll get so loaded that
Yeah.
they'll break. Which I have some wood over there from the peach tree that's what happened on that one.
Okay.
We have. This is the same hazelnut tree that they make Nutella out of, brought over from Italy.
Ah.
I had an almond tree, and then cicadas.
It's hard to make out because of the darkness, but I get it.
Cicadas killed it. You know, Asian pear, Lucy, I believe. Very good.
Okay. Oh yeah, Asian pear. I love Asian pear.
Alberta peach tree over here. I have
Okay.
a Bella George peach tree over there. It's tiny, it's still growing. And we have Camise, pear. We have a Granny
You got some fruits already nice forming on there.
Royal Rainier. Cherry tree over here. I believe this is a Fuji apple.
Royal Rainier, like you got to have a cross pollination, right, for that one.
Which cicadas killed my black duration cherry, so I replanted one.
Okay.
We'll see how it goes. This is a Black Butte mulberry. Clementine apricot right here.
Okay.
That's off of it already. This is a plum. This is a Stanley plum. Arctic white nectarine. Indian free blood peach. I also have a sumo. I believe that's the term for it.
Okay.
From Fruit Nut, which was the mulberry. I have a persimmon I got to put in ground too, which I believe is, I got to look it up. I get the variety. You know, I think it's a Morimoto.
All right. Okay. You can stop. All right. You can stop showing off now.
All right. All right. But yeah. You could garden, you could fig, you could have fruit orchard, you could do it all if you want to.
Yeah, exactly. Anything else? Any last parting words of wisdom for the crew out there?
You know,
Besides
everyone could be
look
a fig father, anyone could be a fig mother. You just got to show up for your figs.
All right, folks, that's it.